everyone, and I am I Love Natural Hair, aka Michelle, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I will be showing you how I do my DIY green tea for shedding. And if you're interested, keep on watching. For this video you're going to need a measuring cup and a tea bag. So if you guys have shedding, a tea bag or green tea is good, or black tea is good. So I'm doing the green tea and it's caffeinated, but if you want to do less caffeine you could do the decaffeinated one. So I already boiled my water, and now I'm gonna put the hot water in the measuring cup, and you're gonna need 8 ounces of water with the tea bag. So you're gonna need 8 ounces of boiling water, and you apply the tea bag into the boiling water. So my tea bag is in the water, boiling water, and it's 8 ounces. I'll show you guys. 8 ounces. Okay, and I'm gonna let it sit. You're gonna stir it, and you're gonna let it sit for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to wash my hair, and I'll come back, and then I'm gonna apply it to my hair. So for the shedding, you have to put the green tea on clean hair. So I'm gonna shampoo my hair, and then I'm gonna come back and show you how I apply it. So my green tea is cool, and now I'm gonna put it in my water bottle. You don't have to put it in a water bottle. If you have an applicator bottle, you could put it in the applicator bottle and use it that way. But for me, I like to put it in my spray bottle, spray all my hair so it gets evenly in my hair. So first I'm gonna apply it to the bottle, and then I'm gonna start spraying it in my hair. So now it's in my bottle, and I'm gonna be applying it to my hair. So I finished applying it to my scalp and my hair, and I'm gonna let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then I'll rinse it out. And so I'll come back after I'm finished. So I just rinsed out the tea out my hair, and now I'm going to deep condition. So, and then tea tends to dry your hair out too. So, and for this you could do it for about 3 to 4 weeks, and then if you see where the shedding is down, you could stop, and then you could start again afterwards. So I did get the idea from Natural 85, and if your hair is shedding, then this is something that you could do to prevent shedding. So for me, I do it for about 3 weeks, and I saw that my shedding went down a little bit. So I stopped after 3 weeks, and then I start again after 3 weeks. So this is literally how much hair I lost from the shedding. Not that much. Okay guys, so sometimes we do get shedding, and sometimes shedding is okay, but when it gets when a lot of your hair is coming out, then this would be good for you to try. So there is a green tea and there is black tea. So you could do either green tea or black tea, or you could do decaffeinated, because the green tea is and the black tea is real decaffeinated, and it tends to kind of dry your hair out. So you could try the decaf first, and then if you try the decaf and it works for you, then continue to use it. But for me, I did use the green tea that's not decaffeinated, and I just deep condition my hair, and I let the deep conditioner stay in a little bit longer, and it did not dry my hair out. So if you see that your shedding is really bad and you want to continue, you could continue for like about 4 weeks, and if you see where it gets better, then you could stop, because it tends to dry your hair out. So I hope this helped you guys, and that's it for my video. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.